Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Hinge Kit, door for Hobart part #00-913102-00375. The Hinge Kit, door for Vulcan Hart part #00-913102-00375 is a replacement part for Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is a kit that includes 2 hinges and mounting hardware. The hinges are made of stainless steel and are designed to be durable and long-lasting. The kit also includes screws, washers, and nuts for easy installation. This Hinge Kit is designed to replace the original door hinge on Vulcan Hart commercial ovens. It is an OEM part that has been tested to ensure it meets the manufacturer's specifications for quality and performance. This part fixes the following symptoms. This Hinge Kit is used to replace worn or damaged door hinges on Vulcan Hart ovens. It will help to ensure that the door opens and closes properly and that it is securely held in place. Here is how you install this part. 1. Start by gathering the necessary tools and materials for the installation. You will need a drill, screwdriver, level, tape measure, and a hammer. 2. Measure the door opening to ensure that the Hinge Kit will fit properly. 3. Mark the locations of the hinges on the door frame and door using a pencil or marker. 4. Drill pilot holes in the marked locations for each hinge, using a drill bit that is slightly smaller than the screws included with the Hinge Kit. 5. Place each hinge into its respective pilot hole and secure it with screws provided in the kit. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.